Hi guys, Nikki from Microspace is here, and today we will learn how to finish adjustment of final settings for rendering, and we will create all the exterior rendering of the project. So let's do it. So now I'm ready to create my first rendering. Let's go to see the global illumination. And the distance of this global illumination, as you can see, I will leave like this. Then the shadows, we have adjust our shadows, but if you want, you can increase a little bit like this. We have to adjust the lightings finally, and we are using dynamic sky. You can use of course the skylight or dome light, and this is our exposure. You can adjust, or you can click over auto exposure. Let's adjust a little bit, probably like this. Yes. We don't have moon. The sun size is not necessary to pick. The weather, we can increase a little bit. The clouds. We can change the season as well. Camera. Visual effects. We can reduce a little bit the color, something like this, and we have to go, we can go back. Reflection is okay. Something like this, and the format is Ultra HD. So let's say that we are ready. When we finish with all the things that we have to adjust here, let's go to the location and see if we can So now we are ready with all the preparation of this scene. Then I have to go to export to the image, and I can select the first image. I would like to use a raster instead of path tracer, so I will use the raster. I have selected the scene 1. As you can see here, the scene 1 is written. I can go and adjust the format is PNG now. I can do the JPEG. I would like to click the high of the refinement, and max lighting should be on. So now I can go back to export and just go to the right and click start export. When you click, you have to select the folder. I will select my desktop, select folder, and then this image will be exported into the format of Ultra HD resolution. So the rendering is finished. It takes 2 minutes to render the image, and this is our scene 1. As you can see, I forgot to change the material, this material here, the sand. So I will go back into this scene. I will select this material, and I would like to replace the material with some material from the library. Here, let's say ground, we have man-made and nature, and this is nature, wavy sound, desert sound, sand, cracked ground. Let's use this one and see if it is fits for our purpose. Not exactly. I will try with this one. It's better. I will increase the scale like this. I can change the color to something like this probably. Okay. And I can go back to my picture and to render again. Something like this. This is our vegetation paint. So I will go here to the library, and I will place some additional element here. I can reduce the size of this element like this, and I will place one more here. Like this. Let's go to our picture now. and we're ready to render again. So I will go to the scene 1, to the export scene 1, it is selected, everything is done here, so I can click export. Again, it will be my desktop, select, and the exporting of this image started. So it will take, as I said, around 2 minutes Twinmotion to render this image in ultra high resolution. At first it takes a little bit more to start rendering, to estimate time for rendering, because it is a resolution of ultra high, and 2 minutes as you can see and 15 seconds. We are ready. Twinmotion has finished the rendering. This is our scene and it was the previous one. I like the result, so we can go ahead and to render our second scene. I will go to image, to scene number 2, and this is our scene number 2. Let's go to settings, to adjust a little bit. All the parameters, lighting, I will reduce a little bit the sun intensity, location, north offset, something like this. Camera, I will reduce a little bit the RGB. I can increase contrast if we want, like this. Format is okay. exposure. And here I will go to export, and here instead of using scene 1 I would like to select scene 2 and unselect the scene 1 like this. Now everything is okay. I can check if here everything is included, yes, and start export of this scene. Again, it will be in my desktop, select folder, and the Twinmotion started to rendering this scene number 2. After approximately 2 minutes we will have the rendering finish for this scene. The rendering process just finished, and let's go and see our scene number 2. So it was all for today. I hope you enjoy lesson. In first place, you learn something very interesting and useful. See you next time. Bye.